Imagine Earth as tiny as Pluto. It's a wild concept, isn't it? Our vast blue planet reduced to the size of a distant dwarf planet. Picture this, our blue planet Earth shrunk down to the size of Pluto. It's a mind-boggling thought. The vast oceans, the sprawling continents, all compressed into a tiny sphere. What would happen to our oceans, our atmosphere, and even us? Would the seas still rage with waves, or would they become mere puddles? Would our atmosphere still protect us, or would it dissipate into the cosmos? If Earth were suddenly the size of the dwarf planet, the consequences would be drastic and, frankly, pretty wild. The gravitational pull would be significantly weaker, altering everything from our weather patterns to the way we walk. Buckle up, space cadets, as we explore the what-ifs of an Earth miniaturized. Imagine the challenges of space exploration when our home base is so much smaller. Imagine looking up and seeing the entire Earth in your field of vision, the whole planet visible at once, like a marble floating in the vastness of space. That's what it would be like if our planet were suddenly the size of Pluto. The scale of everything we know would be completely transformed. It's a fun thought experiment, but it also reveals just how important size is for a planet and its inhabitants. The size of a planet affects its gravity, atmosphere, and ability to support life. Get ready for some cosmic fun as we delve into this fascinating hypothetical scenario. We'll explore the science behind planetary sizes and what it means for life as we know it. So, strap in and let's embark on this cosmic journey together. Earth versus Pluto, a cosmic comparison of size. Let's dive into the fascinating differences between these two celestial bodies. First, let's grasp the sheer difference in size. It's more than just numbers. It's a staggering contrast that shapes their very nature. Earth is a giant compared to Pluto. Our home planet is not just larger, it's a behemoth in comparison. Our planet's diameter is a whopping 7,926 miles. This immense size supports a diverse range of ecosystems and climates. Pluto, on the other hand, is a mere 1,473 miles across. This tiny size means it has a very different environment and characteristics. That means you could fit almost 150 Plutos inside Earth. Imagine stacking them like marbles inside a basketball. To put it another way, if Earth were a basketball, Pluto would be about the size of a nickel. This analogy helps us visualize the vast difference in scale. This dramatic size difference is crucial to understanding the dramatic consequences of Earth shrinking to Pluto's size. The implications are profound and far-reaching. Everything we know about our planet, from its gravity to its atmosphere, is dependent on its massive size. Earth's gravity holds our atmosphere in place, allowing life to thrive. Shrinking Earth down would turn our world upside down. The gravitational pull would weaken, the atmosphere could dissipate, and life as we know it would be impossible. The size of a planet is more than just a number. It's a fundamental aspect of its identity and ability to support life. Cramped quarters, life on a shrunken globe. With Earth shrunk to Pluto's size, our planet would become incredibly crowded. All the land masses would be squished together. Oceans would shrink. The once vast landscapes we know and love would become miniature versions of themselves. Imagine the Grand Canyon as a small ditch. Living spaces would be at a premium. Cities would merge, and finding a quiet spot in nature would be nearly impossible. Our planet's resources, already stretched thin, would be even more precious. Life on a Pluto-sized Earth would be a constant game of Tetris, with everyone vying for a little bit of space. Gravity's grip loosens leaping like superheroes. One of the most noticeable changes would be the decrease in gravity. Earth's gravity is what keeps us grounded. It's why objects fall to the ground and why we don't float away. But if Earth were the size of Pluto, its gravity would be much weaker. How weak? Well, on a Pluto-sized Earth, you could jump over small buildings. A gentle hop could send you soaring through the air. It sounds fun, but this decrease in gravity would have serious consequences for our atmosphere and our ability to even exist on the planet. Section 5, a cold hard truth, Earth's core cools down. Deep within Earth lies a molten core. This core is responsible for Earth's magnetic field, which protects us from harmful radiation from the sun. A smaller Earth means a faster cooling core. As the core cooled, our protective magnetic field would weaken. Without a strong magnetic field, Earth would be bombarded by solar wind, stripping away our atmosphere and leaving us vulnerable to harmful radiation. Our planet would become a barren, lifeless rock, much like Pluto itself. It's a stark reminder that size isn't everything, but it's certainly important when it comes to planetary habitability. Section 6. Lunar drift, the moon's lonely new path. Earth's gravity keeps our moon in orbit, but with a significantly smaller Earth and weaker gravity, the moon's orbit would change dramatically. It's possible that the moon would be flung out into space, becoming a lonely wanderer in the vast cosmic dark. No more moonlit walks or romantic moonlit nights. Without the moon's gravitational pull, our tides would be greatly reduced, impacting marine life and coastal ecosystems. The moon's absence would be felt here on Earth in countless ways. Section 7. Shrinking in a flash, a recipe for disaster. What if the shrinking happened instantly? Talk about a bad day. Buildings would crumble, oceans would slosh around uncontrollably, and the very ground beneath our feet would shift and reshape. It would be chaos on a global scale. The sudden change in density and pressure would trigger earthquakes and volcanic eruptions, unlike anything we've ever seen. It's safe to say that an instantaneous shrinking of Earth would be an extinction-level event, wiping out most, if not all, life on the planet. Section 8. Our perfect planet. There's no place like home. Our journey through the cosmos has brought us back to the one place that truly feels like home. So what have we learned from our hypothetical journey to a Pluto-sized Earth? We've discovered that the size of our planet plays a pivotal role in its ability to support life. For starters, size really does matter. A smaller Earth would struggle to maintain the atmosphere and gravity needed for life as we know it. Earth's unique size is crucial for its life-sustaining properties. It allows for a stable climate, diverse ecosystems, and the right conditions for water to exist in liquid form. Our planet's gravity, atmosphere, magnetic field, and even our relationship with the moon are all dependent on Earth being just the right size. These factors work together to create a balanced environment where life can thrive. While it's fun to imagine what it would be like to jump over buildings or carry 10 times our weight, such low gravity would have serious consequences for our bodies and the environment. We're pretty lucky to live on a planet that's perfectly suited for us. The balance of forces and conditions here is something truly special. So let's appreciate our big, beautiful Earth with its lush landscapes, vibrant ecosystems, and breathtaking natural wonders. Even if it means we can't jump over skyscrapers, we have so much to be grateful for. Our planet is a marvel of cosmic engineering, perfectly designed to support life in all its forms.